Hey, good morning. Today is the 17th of May. I am happy to be here and to be communicating with you. I came across this note, and this is going to be a quick one about here's how I know our decisions affect our lives. And that is because of amino acids. And amino acids are the base of building proteins. Proteins help gene expression and, building muscle, also in the neuron. Here's the cell body of the neuron. There's the axon. There's the synaptic terminal. And there's all the neurotransmitters onto the next dendrite and whatnot. Here, real quick, for neuron function, there's these action potentials that happen at negative 55 millivolts. Yeah. And that's when sodium floods the cell body enough to depolarize it. Basically, because within the cell body, you have positive potassium ions, and then you also have these by the way, the potassium ions can leave the cell, and what is in there and cannot leave the cell are these big old negatively charged proteins. The cell's nucleus is in the body, and these proteins are going to help express that cellular function. And cellular function is really important because your cells make up your tissues that make up you. They make up you and your muscles. And we'll give this guy a 6-pack because of all of his proteins. So basically, what I'm saying is the amino acids that you take in through your diet directly affect your cellular function. The neuron are just your brain cells. And your neurons give rise to all of the life in your body through your nerves, through your nervous system. So basically, when we pay attention to our diet and we can take in there's 20 amino acids and 10 or 11 of them are essential. That means we do not get them in our diet, or we don't make them ourselves, we don't make these essential amino acids, and we have to get them from our diet to fulfill healthy proteins in our cells. So then we could look like this and feel like this. And that's how I know our decisions affect our lives, because we can choose what we put in our body. Like this golden retriever wanted to choose to put that squirrel in her body, but there's a fence separating them. That's what that noise was. So yeah, this says what foods are high in amino acids: beef, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, soy, quinoa, and buckwheat. So you don't actually have to eat meat to get all these essential amino acids to fulfill your health. However, you do want to be extra mindful. I love that. This is the brain. I want to be extra mindful when you're taking in a vegetarian or vegan diet, because, or I don't even want to say diet, just vegan food, because a lot of these essential amino acids can be fulfilled with meat. It doesn't mean it's not possible to be vegan or vegetarian. You just need to get it from maybe a couple of different sources. Beans, quinoa, and it says, fun fact, if an amino acid is missing from the diet, translation stops at the codon specifying that amino acid. What that is referring to is your DNA. Your DNA is in every nucleus of the cell, and it tells your body what to do with its resources to make you a functioning human being. So you can choose to be a well-functioning human being, well-being, and it's in your I can't think of a word right now. It's in your control. Okay. Well, that was it for today. Thank you. Thank you. Heart. Bye-bye.